Let's be honest, we're all guilty of going on Zillow in the middle of the night and just searching through homes and looking, seeing how beautiful they are and wondering what it would be like inside of them. We're going to do a live scenario and see what it will cost to move into the home, and then also see the monthly mortgage of what you might have to pay if you end up buying that home. What's up, YouTube? My name's Chris. I'm a loan officer in the state of Florida, and I make videos basically to simplify the home buying process and also help with real estate investments. If you find value in any of that stuff, go ahead and shoot me a subscribe, and also like the video so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I post in the future. So me being the loan originator, I get questions all the time of people asking me, well, how much can I qualify for if I had X amount of salary? I did do a video in the past about how much you'll qualify for if you have a total household income of $50,000. So if you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. So today's video is going to be quite interesting because I'm going to go on Zillow and see what property may be interesting, may look beautiful, and it's going to be a $500,000 property. And I'm going to go through the process of what it would be like of actually going forth and putting the offer into the home, and then fast forwarding to the point where I'll be putting a down payment and then paying closing costs and then my monthly mortgage. So before you go to the end of this video, I'm gonna ask you guys a question, and you gotta leave a comment. Comment down below what you think the monthly mortgage payment will be for a $500,000 property. Don't go guessing on your calculator. I can't stop you from doing that. Take a blind guess and comment, and then when you figure out what the actual mortgage payment might be, go ahead and leave a second comment and see how far you are off. You'll be surprised at what that monthly mortgage will be for this home. Now, in order to do so, I do have to bring my laptop on the screen, so I'm gonna go grab that, and then we're gonna get the screen record started, okay? All right, so Miami, Florida. Let's go to Miami-Dade County. I had multifamily selected, so we're only looking for houses. We don't really want to look at condos right now. So let's see what we got here. Okay, I like this one. Looks like it's a little high-end on paint and just this design. This design was very popular around the 2000s. Yeah, look at that paint, man. If you're the seller of this property, you got to at least give them a discount on the paint. The paint, look at this. Can I zoom in? Look at the paint. You ever saw that episode of SpongeBob when he was selling chocolate to grandma in the chair? That's what this paint, the texture of this paint looks like. Yeah, you know what? This paint, I'm off. I'm kind of like turned off by that property. See what else we can find. Looks like a new build right here. They tried to make it like a modern home, which I see the idea they were going for. This isn't that bad. I mean, I get where they were going for. I don't know what to say about this home. Let's look at some other homes. I want to get a decent size, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I think we got ourselves a good guy here. The price increased 8 days ago, or I'm sorry, 6 days ago since I started this. I like this house. I actually feel like I'm familiar with this area. I like this home. Let's see what they're saying. This home features high vaulted ceilings. I can see in here. High vaulted ceilings. Open kitchen. Yes, it is. Family room, dining room, living room on the downstairs. Upstairs hosts a loft, 4 bed. See, the funny thing about this, lofts are so popular in New York. That's the thing. But in Miami and in the Florida area, if you're from Miami and you're watching this video, only the Miami people that's watching this video, search lofts in Miami, and they're always lower price for rentals. At least they're always lower price than a 1-bedroom home or studio. I guess it's like a New York thing. I don't know. Anyway, where I was at. Upstairs hosts 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including master with huge walk-in closet tile. Let's test that theory. Huge walk-in closet. Let's look through this home. I like it. This lamp is gonna go if I'm gonna buy this home. The backyard fence probably gotta go. The cabinets, I'm not a big friend of the cabinets. I probably try to, knock off a few $1,000s to replace the cabinets on this. And the refrigerator. I don't like the fact that refrigerator, it looks like maybe the last refrigerator broke and they just bought another refrigerator because these cabinets don't even align with the refrigerator, and that's small though. Not a fan of the tile either. Bathroom door to the outside, just in case, you know, you're outside in backyard hanging out and you don't want to walk through the house, you can just go through the bathroom. See, got an office. Can do my video making and loan originating in this office. Let's see, stairs, everything. Here's the loft. Like, I mean, what would you do here? I mean, if I had kids, I definitely have it like a play area. You know, I have my dog, Coco. I would probably put Coco right there. Nice little view of downstairs, but Coco would probably jump. It's a big room. I'm guessing it's the master. Yep. Bathroom. Feel like you gotta update those cabinets and the mirror. Ooh, a big garage. It's pretty big. I don't know who else like thinks about this, but when I do buy my home, I will be having an indoor gym. Like I go to the gym. I haven't been going frequently, but I kid you not, if I can have my own, and I'm not talking like just a treadmill in the garage, I'm talking full bench press, squat rack, everything. The Enclave. I didn't get any pictures of the backyard. That's downplay. Let's see, built 2006, single family, 2 attached garage spaces. There is a homeowners association, so keep that in mind. Let's see, dining room, parking, blah 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 blah. All right, so we got to take from this is the homeowners association is $115 a month. We need to figure out the tax information as well. $8,000 for property tax. All right. So now we're gonna do some math here. So principal, so homeowners association is $115. Now we gotta find principal and interest. So Bankrate, that's one of my favorite places to do like quick calculations on a mortgage. That's one of the best places where you can get an accurate mortgage payment. But anyway, so let's say the home price here is $499,000. Boom. Don't want to take your refi course. And our down payment, we're going to put 5% down. So that's $25,000. Obviously, we're going to get a 30-year mortgage. And the interest rate, that's pretty low. Our credit, we're not going to even say our credit 740 plus. We're going to say 720. Then we're going to say our interest rate is 3.0. Not 90210, not Beverly Hills. We are in the zip code of 33190. 33190. So we're going to do 7914 divided by 12. 659. Let's see if Bankrate was close. Way off. So Bankrate gives us the principal plus the interest. That's going to be $19.98. Shout out to all my 1998 babies out there. Going to put those together. I'm not going to sit here and look up the amortization. Figure out amortize another time. Insurance. That looks way too low for insurance. I think 125. I think 110 is going to be what insurance might be for this area. And then utilities, I always say 150. Total mortgage is going to be $3,033. To buy this home, $500,000 home, Miami, Florida. It's in a homeowners association, and it's in a pretty decent community. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. If you put a humble down payment of 5%, I don't know where you are financially. I know you can go lower on down payments. You can sometimes go 3.5, but let's say we put 5% down. Your mortgage payment is going to be $3,032, and that's going to be total. Now check your comments and see where you were off. Where you were too high, were you too low? Go ahead and comment again and see where you're at with the numbers. And I I did this video basically to go over, I mean, $3,000 a month. That honestly is, for that square footage of a home, that's a pretty good deal. That's a pretty good bargain. Now let's go back, and for comparison, let's review what a rental would be if we wanted to rent a home with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Got to do 5+ bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and at least 2,800 square feet. Look at the averages. I mean, $6,300, $4,500, $7,900. I mean, $50,000. That's probably a beautiful home here. $4,400. Look at the difference now. This is a rental versus a home purchase. I mean, the proof's in the pudding here. I mean, if you're an investor, one, you can buy a property like this and then net on rental income. 2, if you need this many bedrooms in your home, try looking into purchasing a home. You save about, let's just play it safe, about $1,000 a month on purchasing instead of renting. The barriers to entry are not as hard as you think it is. I mean, look in the area that you're in for a $500,000 property and ask yourself, can you afford $3,000 a month? Or even lower. Try looking at the bedroom size or what you're paying on rent right now compared to what your mortgage payment will be. That's enough for that case. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a comment. How about this, guys? Do me a favor. I want you guys to leave a comment where you think I should do next when it comes to estimating the property's mortgage payment. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe so we can grow this channel. See you guys next time. Take care.